UTKARSH ASTHANA'S hub, the Wondertainment Zone. Hi guys, this is Dollurix and you're watching yet another Wondertaining hub video. So basically this is not a Tech Talks episode. It's a product review about the Philips audio wireless headphone TAH6000 series 00BK model. So the review of this headphone, I was like wishing to do this from a long time, and basically I received this today only this evening. So let's just unbox this review and let's see what are the unbox contents and whether this thing is really worth it or not, and what features this Philips audio wireless headphone has. So let's see them all right now only on the Wondertainment Zone. So here is the box of the product, and you can see that I have already opened it because I couldn't just wait, because I was just too curious to see this. So as I've opened it, where we get a case for this, the traveling case, the carrying pouch for my Philips audio headphone. And yeah, this is the product itself. Now inside this, so as we take this out, right there, basically that's our headphones themselves. You can just see them right there. So basically this is what we get inside the box itself. Some pamphlets about the headphones, and then we have some more manuals, and yeah, here we have the headphone itself. So basically this is a wireless headphone, TAH, but yeah, you can just make it a wired one if you don't get a good Bluetooth connection, and for that you have both auxiliary cable and also a USB type A to type C cable for its charging purpose. So here's the headphone, all hooked up very well, but yeah, it has good cushioning and good quality, and yeah, it is being packaged also in premium way. Like it feels like AirPods Max only by the way of packaging. So here you can see that these are our headphones, and now I will just break the seals. So one gone and the other one good to go. And here we have the headphones now themselves, freed from the clasps or the locks. And yeah, I would have to say that the build quality is actually really nice and really good. Yeah, they are made out of a polymer kind of thing, polyester kind of, and yeah, they are really lightweight and really amazing. So this one, it says L, which is left, and this one is R, which is right. So let's just wear them and check them out. So you see, actually they are a bit smaller for my head fit, so you can just extend them like this, and yeah, then you're good to go. You can wear them, and I would have to say that they are really amazing. Right now I've just worn them, and actually right now I've feeling that a bit of noise is coming less from the surroundings even when this thing is not turned on. So you see, that's a good proof of how better ANC quality you will get to see in this headphone or the active noise cancellation. It feels different when you wear them, and it feels different when you take them out. When you wear, you feel that you are in a very silent world. When you take them out, you understand that you are not in a silent world, but in a noisy and nonsense kind of world. So you see, that's a good example of these. So basically these headphones are like foldable, like you can see that you can extend these things, you can extend them, and also you can turn the cuffs or the audio cups like this, and yeah, you can keep them. Also to keep them, we get a case from the brand Philips Audio itself, and the case is this. It has Philips branding on this, and by the way, this is not a promotional video. I have paid money for this product. This is my personal headphone only and not a promotional video by any company. That is in collaboration, not at all. It's my personal headphones. So you can keep them in this case you see there. First, like you have to fold them like this. You can fold them out, and you can fold any one of them. You want this, you can fold this. What if you want this? You can fold this. And after folding this like this, it becomes a cute small package. Now you can keep the whole thing right there inside this Philips headphone case. So basically I'm having a bit of trouble in like keeping them, but yeah, I know that I only don't know the correct way to keep them, basically because this case is meant to fit them only. So let's see how I will keep them. So you see, it's a bit difficult for me to actually adjust these headphones in this case, so I don't think it's of much use to me. Otherwise I request to keep them. And yeah, these are the headphones in themselves. Cute little headphones with good cushioning and good comfort. They have a premium build for sure, so that's a really good thing about them. Now let's just do the audio test. By the way, these are headphones, so you won't get to see a good amount of audio experience with them unless and until you wear them. So I can just tell you that about the bass, extra bass and all that things with this. By the way, these are the ANC headphones, active noise cancellation, as I already told you in this video before only. By the way, and so also they have the DSEE upscaling, and also you can get 30 hours of playtime with their full charge, and with a quick charge or rapid charge you can get up to 5 hours of playtime of audio. So you see, they have good battery life for sure, and also they have extra bass as I mentioned earlier also in this video. And yeah, they also have some woofers inside them, subwoofers. Also these things have real tech audio drivers pre-installed in them, and these are Bluetooth headphones, meaning Philips Audio says. And also I know that these headphones can connect to any platform, be it Windows, iOS, Linux, Ubuntu or Android, Mac OS, iPhone OS, iPad OS, any OS. It can just connect to any operating system for that reason, because it just needs a Bluetooth device, be it and it doesn't matter that on which operating system that Bluetooth device is working or based on. So you see, that's all about this. Now let's come to the audio test. So for the audio test, I will connect these Philips Audio 6000 series TAH headphones with this smartphone you see right there, because right now I'm recording this video with my iPad, so it's not possible to connect them to the iPad itself. I'm just making the video at the same time, so I will connect them with my smartphone you see here. Also, before doing the main audio test itself, I would like to mention one thing which I forgot just right now. Right now also the multi-point sharing feature, which means like if you have multiple devices which support Bluetooth connectivity 5.0 Bluetooth, then you can connect to them at the same time to them all. And as you shift from one device to another, this headphone will detect itself that you are shifting from one device to another, and it will auto detect and auto change its device on which you are working, and will provide audio for that device only. That's known as multi-point sharing. Also, if that feature doesn't work in the digital way, you can do this manually also with the help of a small trigger kind of thing or toggle, with the help of which you can switch devices manually. By the way, they do that digitally also, mainly digitally. So let's do the audio test of this Philips Audio TAH6000 series wireless headphone. Let's just do this. So for that, first you have to head to the Bluetooth connect settings. Like right now, you have to head to the Bluetooth settings, and now here only you will connect the headphone to my mobile phone. I will connect this. So basically not you, I will do this. So actually these Bluetooth headphones, I just right now checked only that they don't have charge, so I'm put them on charging, and I will make you just in a few moments after they get charged. Then I will show you guys its NCS audio test of extra bass quality. And yeah, by the way, I'm using my iPad charging cable only, because it also has USB Type-C, and this headphone also has USB Type-C. So I just use one cable for USB Type-C to charge my iPad, controller and other USB Type-C supported devices, and to that list, this headphone is now also added. And so I won't just use the cable which has been provided to me with this headphone. And by the way, it's not a very good quality cable. My iPad cable is much better for charging purposes, you see, and I don't need a wired connection with the auxiliary port, because auxiliary ports are now very less devices. Like just my laptop is one of those devices which has it. Rest all of them don't have it, even my iPad for that reason. By the way, let's just meet you after the headphones get charged. So okay, I'll meet you in a few minutes after the headphone gets charged. Okay. So when charging, these headphones have a light indicator which shows that they are charging, and it keeps on going as white, flashing as white till the time the headphones are charging, and it will turn blue as soon as they get charged, to show off an indication that they have fully charged. The headphones are fully charged. And also this thing has USB Type-C port for charging, as right now I'm charging this headphone with the help of that port only. And also it has an auxiliary port to convert this headphone into a wired one if necessary in some condition when you can't get a Bluetooth connection and you can't just use them as a wireless headphone. Then also this thing is so versatile that you can use it as a wired headphone with the help of that auxiliary port, you see. And yeah, you have two cables, auxiliary to USB Type-C and auxiliary to auxiliary, so you can use it with both devices which have auxiliary ports also, that circular pin ports, and also those which are modern ones have USB Type-C. You can use it with that too. So when the headphones light goes off as like it keeps on flashing in two colors, which is white and blue, then it means that it is ready for connection. And yeah, here you can see that Philips TAH6506, and when I click on that it will say pair, so Bluetooth pairing request. So it is saying that I should enter this code 1234 and then this thing will pair. So let's check that out, whether it has paired or not in the Bluetooth settings in themselves. So it is saying still pairing, so I think that's an issue. Let me just check this out and then I will get back to you. So here we can see that it is asking the request to pair the Philips TAH6506 with this mobile phone. So I have accepted the request, and now you can see that they are paired. And now is the time for the audio test itself. So you see, I will head straight away to NCS. And on NCS, when you play this, so that's the volume. Basically, let's just leave the ad itself and this. So you see NCS. Now let's just play this. So that's the noise from the, noise. It's the sound from the right ear cup, and that's the same from the left ear cup. And yeah, you might not be able to notice this extreme bass and good audio quality in this video, but yeah, the headphones quality is just next level amazing for sure. And by the way, it is not at all bad. Right now I can't just listen to you guys, and that is the true proof of ANC or active noise cancellation. Also, this thing has a separate button right here, this button, which turns on ANC, and if you click it, so if you click it once, it will turn on active noise cancellation, and if you click it twice, it will turn it off. So that's it. So that was the whole review of this Philips Audio TAH6506BK wireless headphone, and I hope you guys really liked it. If you did, then please do click on like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. And yeah, stay tuned on Hub for more amazing, entertaining videos just like this one. And yeah, listen to good audio. This is Mr. Dollurix signing off. And yeah, finally time to say adios and yo, bye bye. Download the Software Hub app today.